Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to mirror your Android phone screen to your iPhone and your iPhone screen to your Android phone for free. And after mirroring, you can easily able to control the both devices from other device. Okay, so let's get started. So before we start, you need to connect your both devices with the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then you need to install the application on your both device. In your iPhone, open the App Store. Here you need to search a power mirror. Just simply download and install this application on your iPhone. In your Android phone, open the Play Store, and here you need to search same application. You need to search a power. Okay, download and install this. After download and install, open the both application on your both phone, in your Android phone and in your iPhone. Now guys, if you want to mirror your iPhone screen to your Android phone, in your iPhone, here you can get the option local cast. Just tap on it. Now here in your iPhone, here you can get your Android phone device name. So just need to select this, and here you can get the option cast. Select this, and here you can get the option start broadcast. Tap on it. After the countdown was completed, quickly your iPhone screen was mirrored to your Android phone. As you can see guys, this is our iPhone and this is our Android phone. Our iPhone screen was successfully mirrored. Here there is one glitch guys. After successfully mirroring, the iPhone was fully not controlling from the Android phone. As you can see guys, only from my iPhone the screen was properly working. As you can see guys, when I'm trying to access my iPhone screen from my Android phone, the screen was not accessing, only mirroring. Now let's see how to mirror our Android phone screen to our iPhone and control it. Let's see this is possible or not. First we will disconnect this. Once again you need to open the both application on your both phone. Now in your Android phone, here you can get the option cast. Just tap on it and it will scan your nearby devices and show the nearby device name. Here our iPhone name is showing. Just tap on it. Tap on start now. It will ask some necessary permission. You need to enable the all necessary permission. Yeah guys, as you can see guys, our Android phone screen was successfully mirrored to our iPhone. Okay, now let's see. I will access my Android phone screen from my iPhone. From my iPhone, the Android phone was fully controlled. While I am opening any application like YouTube, and I will open the camera, everything was working very properly fine. Every application and every setting was opening perfectly fine from my iPhone. So this is how you can easily able to mirror iPhone and Android phone screen with each other, and you can also able to control it with this free application called a power. So that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, and I will see you in the next one.